I'm Christy Degenhart with Degenhart Realty Group, and I'm excited to introduce to you one of my favorite businesses in the area, Sierra Chef. This is Cynthia. She's one of my favorite people, and she makes some of my favorite foods in the area. So I'm excited for you to get to learn a little bit about what she does.
Hi there, I'm Cynthia Ferris-Bennett with Sierra Chef in beautiful historic Genoa, Nevada. We are in our Cucina Campagna, which is our newest expansion, and this is where we have our cooking classes, we have our wine dinners, our chef's pairing dinners, we have cheese tastings, olive oil tastings, honey tastings, balsamic tasting, everything you can imagine here in Cucina Campagna. At Sierra Chef proper, we have our Italian bakery, deli, gourmet market, full catering, we have our cheesecakes. So come on in. Also, you'll want to come in and try our beautiful holy cannoli. We're famous for these, so come on in. We are here Tuesday through Sunday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So come to beautiful historic Genoa, Nevada.